Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Valorant username. Your Valorant name is actually part of your Riot ID, which is a universal identifier used across all Riot games. This ID consists of two main parts, your chosen display name and a unique tagline. To make any changes, you will need to visit the official Riot Games account website, not directly within the game client. It's a straightforward process that gives you control over your in-game identity. Let's dive deeper into what makes up your Riot ID. It's essentially a two-part identifier, your game name and a tagline. Your game name is the primary part, visible to everyone, and can be between 3 and 16 alphanumeric characters. The tagline, which follows a hashtag, is a shorter, unique string of 3 to 5 alphanumeric characters. While many players can share the same game name, the combination with your unique tagline ensures your full Riot ID is distinct. Ready to make the change? Here are the simple steps. Begin by closing your Valorant game client to ensure a smooth update. Next, open your web browser and log into your Riot Games account on their official website. Once logged in, find the Riot ID section in your account dashboard. Here, you can enter your new desired game name and tagline. After saving your changes, simply relaunch Valorant and your updated name will be visible in-game. Before you finalize your new name, there are a few important things to remember. You can change your Riot ID for free once every 90 days, so plan your updates carefully. This change will affect your display name across all Riot games, not just Valorant. Also, please note that your actual Riot account login username, which you use to sign in, cannot be changed. So, pick a name you'll love for at least 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.